In 2025, students who understand how to use AI will be 10x smarter than those who don't, right? But with so many tools out there, where do we even begin? In this video, I am going to share 6 powerful AI tools that can literally boost your productivity, creativity, and academic game if you use it the right way. Hey, I am Diwakar, a student just like you who is exploring the smartest ways to grow using tech and tools that actually work, right? Let's dive into it. The first tool called NotebookLM, your personal research assistant. Imagine if your study notes, PDFs and resources had a brain. That's exactly what NotebookLM does. It reads your documents, understands them and answers the questions like a custom ChatGPT trained for your resources, for your purpose. You can even prepare for exams, writing your papers and summarizing your lectures. This is my best tool, Notion AI. You can organize, you can plan and you can write your data. Notion AI is not just productivity tool anymore. It's your second brain. With Notion AI, you can create smart to-do list and generate content ideas and draft notes and summarize articles all inside one clean workspace. You can even use like a class schedules and project management and content writing. The third tool called Google AI Studio for creative builders and creative coders. If you are into building apps, tools and machine learning, Google AI Studio is the best place where you can experiment with AI models and deploy AI assistants and explore. You can even explore the chatbot also. You can use Google AI Studio for coding projects and AI exploration or learning LLM in fun way. The fourth tool called Gemini AI. It is for research and content writing. Think of Gemini as your AI research buddy. It's great for deep content discovery and quick summaries and when you are stuck trying to explain a complex concepts like. And you can use like a subject research and essay ideas and quick understanding of top topics. The fifth tool called MLE, AI for better writing emails, cover letters or even LinkedIn posts and summarizing the content in web page. MLE helps you write smarter and more professionally. It's like Grammarly, but it is better than that. It gives you tone suggestions and structures your writing for impact, right? Yeah, you can use like this college applications and email replies and internship letters also. The sixth one is not a tool, it's a tip, you can say. Using the right tool for the right job, right? Now here's something people gets wrong. Everyone try to use one tool for everything. That's like using a calculator to paint a picture. It won't work, right? Each AI has each unique strength, right? ChatGPT for brainstorming and ideation and explanation. And Grok, it is for great for trending topics and X content. And Gemini for best for structured content and web insights. And Cloud, amazing at live documents and sensitive tone. So instead of sticking to one, use the right tool for the right purpose. That's what makes you smart. Not the tool itself but the how to use it, right? That's it. These 6 things, if you use it wisely, can change the way of your study, building and grow in 2025. I have listed all the tools that I talked about are in description below. Check them out and explore them yourself. If you found this helpful, hit a like and drop a comment with your favorite tool. And don't forget to subscribe and for more content like this. Thank you.